Hi Jyoti. Hey guys, welcome. We're just waiting. Hey Jyoti. So, guys, welcome. And today's live session is with one of my best friends for 2 decades, Dabu Malik. And this is truly a tribute to our friendship. And I'm going to talk about everything and anything about his life. And so let's join. Let's invite him. Hi Swati. Hi Swati. Oh, hi Deepthi. Hey Swati. Hey Jyoti. Everybody has joined. Ah, are you? Hey Dabu. Hi. Are you wearing a red T-shirt?
Yes, it's just
You know what? I don't care. I don't care now.
no.
No, I can't. I can't see this. This is so funny. You're wearing a red T-shirt.
Yes.
How? I mean, this is really. I mean, anyway. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Lot of hearts coming. Wow.
I know that's
So
for you. That's for you.
red and red.
So many inbox messages from around the world. They're super excited. Firstly, they know you for so many years, and then of course you're father of two superstars, Amal Malik, that's my favorite, Arman Malik, that's the cutie pie, and well, Jyoti, Swati, Deepthi, all of them have joined right now. They're watching us, so say hi to
Uh,
them.
Hi everyone.
So I just came to know that you had your second vaccination.
The first
Was
vaccination, Baba.
was that
First.
the first?
Yeah.
Are you what? Are you what? The first? Are you what? 20 years? 30 years?
So I was very scared, and I didn't know whether we should take vaccination and all those doubts in the mind. So it was strange, but
Hmm.
finally it had to be done. We took it, and
But
right now when
did
I
you? Yeah.
tell me.
Go ahead.
Right now, when I'm talking to you, I can feel the effects of the vaccine, which is still on. But
Uh,
talking to
you
Sri
had any?
Devi,
You had any fever with the vaccine?
slight, but we had that Dolo 650 and paracetamol to keep it
Okay.
at bay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is it you had COVID right in the month of February, if I'm
Yeah.
not mistaken?
So February, I got COVID, but it was quite bad. It was like, and I was just lucky enough that I could recover fast.
What happened? What happened exactly? What was your symptom? Why was it so bad?
So 7 days I was at it and taking care at home and managing the fever and having the antibiotics and having so many doctors. I got confused myself. Everybody was giving advice in a different way. But on the eighth day, I finally took a call. Okay, I better go to the hospital and get my self checked in to see what are the issues.
Oh, you
And
mean you were admitted to a hospital also?
yeah. So 5 days I was there, and I was at Nanavati, and I think they got to the bottom of it, and I did not have any kind of major oxygen drop or any major thing, but still I was in the hospital because there are a lot of things they had to manage, my sugar and all those things, which come together.
Wow. How are you feeling now? How are you feeling
Super
now?
mind blowing. Talking to you now, I'm back with the red and the red color, which is now
Oh
smiling.
my God, that's so funny. That's so funny. Firstly, I would like to start this live session saying hashtag tribute to our 2 decades of friendship. Dabu, long way we go, a long way. And Jyoti is one of the finest women you've ever married. And people who are watching, guys, he married a Telugu girl.
Yes,
Telugu.
and Ashley knows that I'm very much attracted to all Telugu people. I'm not sure. Telugu.
And Telugu food too. And Telugu food too.
Yeah, so I was just thinking today that Arman is, the singer of the super hit song Buttabama, and so many Telugu songs he's sung.
I know.
And it is something which it was a small phase I had in my earlier time where I acted in a Telugu film called
Yes,
Sarva
I know.
Sundaram Gari Abbai. It was like 25 years back.
What is the movie name, Dabu? Repeat it again.
Sarva Sundaram Gari Abbai. So that film did not, it got a theatrical release, but I don't know, somehow or the other, it's not on the digital format anywhere. But
Okay.
I had 3 heroines in that: Amini, Indraja, Mohana. It was like crazy. Geeta
Whoa, they were
Krishnaji was the
superstars.
director.
They were superstars of that time.
Yeah. So I was just wondering that how that Telugu connect happened, and that dream just was left. And when Arman came into singing, and when he was singing for all the top music directors, including Kamal
Absolutely.
sir and all, it was such a wonderful feeling. It was like first when initially it started, that Telugu connect, I felt as if my species are coming together. As a father, I felt it so um, rich about it. And I think they're making amazing music, amazing entertaining films in Hyderabad.
I mean, you have a talented son like Amal and an amazing singer like Arman. I mean, they have to give such amazing music in Telugu with so many big heroes I've seen. And once I attended this show with Arman and Jyoti in Hyderabad in one of the big shows. I mean, Dabu, are you okay? I'm not able
Yeah.
to. You're frozen. You're frozen. You're okay?
I can see you, but is it my network?
I think so, but you're okay. Now I can hear you. It was just
Let
a
me
moment
check.
of. So let me talk about. Okay. So when I went for the show with Jyoti, you froze again. You froze again. Sorry guys. Sorry guys.
My network seems to be fine. Yeah, it's like full 100%.
Yeah, mine is perfect. See, I'm not moving. I'm like this, 90 degrees, perfect.
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so I went for the show first time with Jyoti. Jyoti says, let's go, Shri. So me, Swati, all of us went. I was amazed the craziness this boy has, Arman has. And what I liked about him, he started his song saying, I dedicate it to my mom because my mom is a Telugu. So I'm like half Telugu. And people were like crazily clapping and shouting and and what a performance. I think 1.5 hours just went like that.
That's really good.
Unbelievable. But your son, the oldest one, Amal,
Wow.
he's my favorite and such a good looking boy. I think he's beaten Vijay Deverakondas and all these people. I know. I mean, he's like a son to me, but amazingly cute, handsome.
So
And then
actually,
I didn't complete yet. People need to know that Jyoti and you have a third son.
handsome.
Handsome. That's, guys, don't get funny. This is a Chow Chow breed. It's a dog, of course. I can't say that because it's like their son and I value dogs. Chow Chow is called Handsome. The breed is Chow Chow. And talk about a little bit of Handsome, what Jyoti does, even before
Oh
Amal
my
and
God.
Arman.
Handsome is the blue-eyed boy of Jyoti, and everybody, just keeps on joking with Jyoti. She's so obsessed with him. He's like the most important baby. Every move of his, everything that he wants, everything to be taken care. Jyoti is like totally for him, and he's
You know
like
what I saw in your house? I went into the bedroom and this handsome boy, he was sleeping on this fur carpet. And once Jyoti said, Shri, Arman was actually going for shooting and he asked for breakfast and I was actually feeding Handsome. He said, you have to wait. Is that true, Dabu?
and carpets are laid down for him when he walks in the house.
I saw that.
Marble thing is there. Yeah, so he has been with us like he's like a gem. And one thing very important, people should know that how did we connect? How did Sri Devi and Dabu Malik meet? Yeah, I have a faint memory. It was somewhere in Chennai, but was it that the first time you met?
No, in Bombay.
In Bombay, okay.
And the minute you knew I was Telugu, see, so many hearts are going.
Yeah.
So then you told me my wife is a Telugu, so I became more comfortable to talk to you. And then I met Jyoti. Then, it's been now almost 20 years. Our friendship is almost 20 years. And a very dear friend of ours, common friend of ours, that is Deepti's husband, Bala, introduced. So,
Yeah.
so that's one thing. But I'm not happy with you on one issue. There's a friend called Sirisha. I don't know whether you remember that you met her in Deepti's wedding in Bombay, and you said, "Oh my God, you resemble Shri, and you talk like Shri. I'm missing Shri." Does it strike?
No.
Oh, that
Okay.
Dabu, you're getting old. You're getting old then.
There can be only one Sri Devi. So let's not find out parallels to that.
Thank you.
HRH Sri Devi Chaudhary. Okay, your name spells it all.
Dabu, I got so many questions. Firstly, so many people said, "How can he?" They heard about your Telugu song. Can we dedicate that Telugu song before we start and go into this deep conversations?
So you mean to say
By the
I
way,
should
he's
sing?
an amazing singer. I like Dabu's voice more than Arman. Sorry, guys, but that's the fact.
Oh, so you want me to sing that 25-year-old back that Telugu
Yes,
thing?
Telugu. Yeah. Telugu song.
I hope you're recording this so that for posterity it will be there.
See?
Does it go?
So many hearts. So many
Yeah.
hearts.
I hope I remember the lines. ముచ్చమంత ప్రేమ చాలు మధురిమ స్వచ్ఛమైన మనసు పాడే సరిగమా లలితమా మధుర భావన ప్రియతమా లేత గుండెలో ఆరాధన ఓ ప్రియా నాకరి ఊపిరి ఆశగా మిగిలిన బ్రతకున్న ముచ్చమంత ప్రేమ చాలు మధురిమ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్.
Yes, it's perfect. It's so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful.
I remember the charanam also slightly. Shravana megam మెళ్ళెగా పచ్చి పెళ్ళికి పల్లకి కావాలి తొమ్మది మేదం జొమ్మని నాదం మంగళవాదం మృగాలి. So it was, so poetic, the language, the Sanskrit annotation in Telugu is so beautiful. It is like fascinating, really fascinating. So now I'm so happy that so many songs, like more than 15, 20 hit songs Arman has sung for all the superstars. My God, it is such a dream come true. And
it's like you are super excited more than Arman.
Yeah, it is like Jyoti also. It's like that Telugu Connect has fruitified, and it's like a dream come true. Fantastic. So now we go back to the topic of our Connect. What happened?
Sorry, I won't interrupt you. Yep.
So what no, you were saying something. What did I say? You were asking that I'm going to ask.
Arman? No, I was talking about Jyoti manages all the dates. She's manager for these two boys. Is it true?
Yeah.
So many questions.
Yeah. So she is the, what do you call, the momager?
Momager. Yeah, momager. Kim Kardashian's mom created this word.
Yeah, she's very protective about both the kids. Amal is, she has this thing that she's seen it all with me. So she's highly protective and she wants the right things to happen all the time for the children. And she's like really, the Andhra blood is there in her. Hey!
Tigress.
It's like that, it comes from inside. And the boys are lucky that they have got such a strong mom.
Absolutely. Strong woman, yes. And also Jyoti cooks South Indian food. Chicken curry is Arman's favorite, and
Your cooking, Shri, nobody can beat, please. And
Jyoti, are you hearing that, Jyoti?
Yeah, I have had the experience 2 or 3 times eating food. Your chicken, your prawns, your vegetarian food, the way you serve, the way you design, the protocols that you follow before serving food, before traveling. It is all the shubsa that they call. It goes, their second name is like that. I don't know. It is inherent in you. You like all this, the so-called trappings of doing the things in the right way. I remember we all had gone for lunch to Falaknuma Palace.
Yes.
It was an experience which I could never forget.
Wow, what a fun. That's almost now 8 years?
Yeah.
Almost 8 years. My God. Are we getting younger or older?
No, you are getting younger by the day. I'm getting this grace.
Yeah, yeah, well, well, when you when you dye your hair and you just get ready with matching everything, to look good, and then I see you wearing the same red T-shirt. This is too much.
So I even liked your film, the film in which you acted as an actor, which was a surprise.
Yes,
Friends-in-Law, right? That was
yes,
the name of the
yes,
film, which I think
yes.
got released all over, but it is a pity it didn't get Amazon release, right? What did
Yeah,
it
in
get?
India didn't accept the movie. God knows we are trying our best, but the movie is doing very well actually around the world on Amazon Prime.
Yeah. So many hats like me. You have been
Yes,
producer, director, story writer,
fashion
actor,
designer.
fashion designer. You love cooking, and I love all the interviews that you were doing. One of the reasons why I got also excited to speak to you is that the way you spoke to the way you spoke to Madhu, the way you spoke to that tennis star, what's her badminton?
Jwala Gupta.
Yeah, that was so heartening to see how you all were, connecting and bonding. It was all super.
Again, we go back almost 18 years of friendship.
Yeah. So I think it was one of those inspirations, and I said, "Wow, she's doing such a fantastic, like, already wanting to be the Oprah Winfrey of India." Is it? No.
No,
Why you take
Tabu,
the?
actually, I'm not a professional, but then I'm so comfortable because I'm chatting with you. You're my friend. So I think it's 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 getting almost 50,000 views for every
Hmm.
interview or every live session I'm doing. The reason is because we are natural. We are not talking like, yeah, hi, Mr. Dabu, how are you? So how things go. We're just talking casually how we, when actually we do more masti when we meet. This is a little bit more polished and
I think since I'm you know talking, there are a lot of people wanting me to sing a few songs. So it's better that I sing for them. Otherwise, they will all say, "Okay, Daddy came,
no,
Uncle
my
came."
friends, Chandra Reddy asked, my friends, so many of them asked, you have to sing at least 3-4 songs before we get into next
Yeah,
conversation.
yeah, yeah. Why not?
I'm waiting.
I was-
I'm waiting.
uh, so so this one song which became very famous of mine, and Thoda Sa Pyar Thoda Hai Baki,
Oh, my
which
favorite.
everybody loves. And
Yeah.
there's a story. There's a story behind this song. So I was doing a show on the backstage. I had still not become a music director. I had left acting and I had left everything, and I was doing a television program which I was creating and presenting. And on the backstage, I got this thought. I wrote this line कि थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी हम तो दिल दे चुके बस तेरी हाँ है बाकी. And it struck to me that it has got the potential to be a hit song. So for a lot of people, it was so strange that I took the song and I sang this song in front of Salman Khan's dad. And the first thing he asked me that who has composed the song. I almost give the credit to somebody else because I wanted to just sing the song and not be the music director. So then ultimately he said, "No, you're lying," because he's such a
I mean, the
sharp
Khans
guy.
are very close to you, very close to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then he said, "Tell me who's." I said, "I've composed the song." That's the whole story behind it. And next, I come to know that I was composing music for Maine Dil Tujhko Diya, the biggest, huge film of the Salman Khan family.
I
Then Hum
know,
Tumhare
I
Hain
know.
Sanam, then Tumko Na Bhul Payenge, and so many. Though I did a lot of music before there also. The song that you put on your channel, Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, was what I did.
My
Yeah,
favorite.
cover version for HMV, which we did. A lot of 7/8 Sing Tere Bina Jiya Jana. So I was doing a lot of music actually on the side, but I was really not very serious. And then this song happened, and rest, as they say, the musical legacy began. थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी
Wow, wow.
हम तो दिल दे ही चुके हो हम तो दिल दे ही चुके बस तेरी हाँ है बाकी थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है थोड़ा है बाकी कौन सा मोड़ आया जिंदगी के सफर में बस गया तू ही तू अब तो मेरी नजर में दिल की हर एक धड़कन तुझको पहचानती है। मेरी चाहत है अब क्या तू नहीं जानती है, मैं तुझे जान गई। ओ तुझको पहचान गई, फिर भी तेरी हाँ है बाकी, थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है, थोड़ा है बाकी।
Wow. Oh my God. I mean, I just, I don't know what to say. Amazing voice. Amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
I
I
can
know.
sit, remember in Bombay Dabu, we used to sit and sing songs for like till whatever time that was in the night.
Yeah, singing has always been something very close to my heart, and so as I said earlier when you were asking me, I feel those entire experience of my life where I felt that you also felt so many times that I deserve better and things did not happen the way. But I feel that somehow the other life generally finds its way, and nothing better for a father to see, his sons doing
Extremely
and
well. Extremely well.
taking the journey ahead of music and with passion and with dignity and with so much love. And when I actually see them, and when I see, I do not get tired of saying this, when I see the intensity and the kind of hard work they put in and the kind of genuineness that they
Yeah.
put in, I wonder, was I really as hardworking as these kids? But then I feel, it is just a matter of the right time happening at the right
Yeah. Right
place.
place, right time,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
your relation with Salman Khan, everything. When you and
Of course.
Jyoti put,
So I that way I was very lucky in terms of my connection with the Salman Bhai, Bhushan Kumar ji, even Amit ji, even for that matter Shah Rukh Khan, even for that
yeah,
matter all the big guys, and I've been close to them, and they have always valued me for the way I have been, and
yeah.
for whatever you know my maybe my simplicity approach with them, and I was never
No, Dapu,
complicated.
simplicity, and you're very humble. Why I'll say humble, I'll tell you. In spite of your success, and you're well-known figure in Bollywood, and you have successful sons, all that doesn't matter. One day I call you. Remember, it's almost 4 months back, about 9:30 time. I called you and said, "Dapu, you have to sing a song. I'm going to make you sing that song." And one of my friend Vilasni's father-in-law, who was almost 100 years old, who's almost 100 years old, and he said, "I love this song, and I want somebody to sing for me." I quickly said, "Let me call Dabu. And you said, "Shri, let's give me 2 minutes," and you started that song. What made that man happy? It's unbelievable, and he blessed you, Dabu. You remember that?
Yeah.
He said,
The,
"God bless you. You're so amazing." And that is the quality which I really love in you, because you're very humble, very down to earth, and simple soul. You're very simple soul.
maybe the blessings of karma and karmic effect. I remember that song which I
Sing
sang,
that
and
song. It's a ghazal, right?
yeah,
He
it
wanted
was
a
a Mohammed Rafi Sahab song.
Muhammad Rafi. Exactly. Exactly. Aren't we
Beautiful.
lucky? Aren't we lucky we are hearing all this on live?
आपके हसीन रुख पे आज नया नूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है, आपकी निगाह ने कहा तो कुछ जरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है, खुली लटों की छाँव में खिला खिला सा रूप है, घटा से जैसे छन रही सुबह सुबह की धूप है, जिधर नजर उठी
Wow.
जिधर नजर उठी, जिधर नजर उठी उधर सुरूर ही सुरूर है, मेरा दिल मचल गया तो मेरा क्या कसूर है.
Wow, wow. Oh my God, what a mesmerizing voice, mesmerizing. I don't know if you keep singing like this, I'm like not able to talk.
Oh, I can see that. Come on,
Yeah,
see,
seriously. You know,
you're getting.
I just love, I can just sit like this, you know. I mean, I don't want to, I don't know, the whole thing, whatever I wanted to ask, everything has gone from my mind.
Oh,
You know, so
lot of
many
people,
requests.
lot of people have called me to ask, who is Sri Devi. So let's also talk about that. People are saying how we never knew it. You never posted any pictures of yours on Facebook or Instagram with her. Suddenly, we're 20 years friendship. I said, okay, I will ask her. She will speak. So let the world know also about you. It's about.
About me, I should tell
Yeah,
about me.
you are based in Hyderabad.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm based out of Hyderabad. I'm a Telugu. You want my height also? 5 foot 8.5 inches. Just
And
kidding.
speak about your best.
I'm a good South Indian cook, and I love life. I love beautiful friends like you who have been in my life for past almost 20 years. I cherish every relation, and I value every relation, Dabu. You know that very well. A lot of people think she's very arrogant, she's very rude. I don't know. You should tell about me. So many hearts. Thank you.
Actually, I think since you have been exposed to a lot of social life and you have been meeting people of different walks of life, whether it is doctors, lawyers, politicians, and bureaucrats, and all that. So, what I have experienced about your personality is also this, that you need to be strong. You need to be a very strong personality to keep a lot of things at bay because you're intelligent, you're beautiful, you're successful. So all those things are not very easily handled by a lot of people. So you have this power to keep things and people at bay so that you can ultimately, I think, I always say behind your back, not in front of your face, that you are a woman of a golden heart. Bottom
Aw,
line is that you're pure and your heart is of gold. You want to think good for everyone. But
thank you. Thank you.
that
It means a
certain kind
lot.
of
It means a lot.
aggressiveness, and that certain kind of brashness which is there in you, that comes from the fact that you want to, handle people in your way, and people should be wary, and you don't want people to cross the line. So I think that's one thing which I noted about but whenever I've met. Only thing is, I've been lucky enough that I have been in the inner circle, and you have a soft corner. You just, never found me to be aggressive or to. I think all your defenses were gone when it came to Dabu Malik.
Absolutely. But I must say, you know, you are a man who is exactly what you are, how you're speaking here. You don't do dramas behind Jyoti or in front of Jyoti. You are the same. In front of Jyoti also, you say, Shri, I love you. I mean, you are like, you know, Jyoti is such a beautiful woman, and she's so secure in her relation, and she's such a strong woman. My God, she's so strong. I think sometimes I feel she's stronger than me.
Oh wow. Yeah.
And she's not insecure, Dabu. I mean, you work with beautiful heroines, and you worked with beautiful singers. She says, you know what? I know him very well. I keep asking, aren't you insecure? I mean,
I think so.
she's
I
just
think
not bothered.
she's too confident. Yeah, she's too
Yeah,
confident.
she's very
She
very
has
comfortable
a
with
very
you.
famous tagline: "The loss is yours."
Uh,
It's always like
you know what?
that.
I agree with that. I agree with that. The loss is yours.
Yeah,
I think,
she's strong.
and I always keep saying, I wish I had a daughter. I wish I had a daughter. You know why?
Hmm.
Amal Malik will be my son-in-law.
Oh, oh. Okay,
He's so.
Amal is a bachelor. Let's hope if he gets lucky, he'll get a Telugu girl.
I wish. He's so
Yeah,
cute. He's adorable.
yeah.
So Dabu, what is your latest projects? What are you working on? I know it's a
Well,
very
I
bad
have.
time for Bollywood. It's very bad time for Bollywood, but what's
Yeah,
happening in
musically, I
Bombay?
think music is doing very well. Music, since the music can be produced at home and you can do the dubbings and the recordings and everything at home, you can produce music. So suddenly, music and independent singles, which are non-film based, are doing very well, and we are part of the journey. So we are associated with Sony Music. We are with international Sony Music. We are dealing with T Series. We are doing work with Universal, and recently Amal went on and did a track for Dua Lipa, which was like, one of the
Oh,
biggest things that happened for him. It's crazy, and that song was a mix that he created, the Indian producer, to do it, and
yep.
she went on everywhere and she praised Amal, and she had a statement which was so heartening that I know two people in India. One is Shah Rukh Khan and another is Amal Malik. It was
Oh
so
my
cute.
God, that's
So
honor.
cute.
That's honor.
So a lot of music is happening and coming, and I have started MWM, like a small channel which is making independent music. I released a song with Sunidhi Chauhan. I released my own single, and now I'm collaborating with all the major artists, and we'll have 6, 7 singles very soon onto
Wow.
that channel.
What about
So
Arman? Also, Arman went to London, right, with Jyoti. I remember. What
yeah,
was that for?
Arman has released 3 tracks: Control, Next to Me, How Many, other 3 songs which are released with Sony International. That's been great,
Ah,
and now he's going to be soon coming up with another single, and so a lot of music happening. So we are keeping.
well, they're expensive boys. A lot of my friends ask, "Can we call Arman Malik?" I said, "No, we have to sell all the diamonds to call
Oh
him."
no.
He's
If anything that would help social cause, anything is there, we are always there for.
I know that. Yeah.
Commercial shows, the calculations are different, but if anything that is really worthwhile and which we can really contribute to the society, and we can really make definitely the whole family is available to you. There's no
But
problem.
I'm going to only call you Dabu. I'm in love
I'm
with your
looking forward.
voice.
Yeah, I'm looking forward because I think the video that you posted also made me also think that if we have this small mehfil concerts which has such
Yes,
beautiful music and all that, unplugged with 3, 4 fantastic musicians, for all heartfelt
absolutely.
musicians and families who are close to understanding Hindi retro Bollywood music, why not? We should do.
And you're not
Music
doing
is
any.
something which connects to everybody and everybody's heart.
Why? Why are you not coming and singing in Telugu? I mean, I'm not understanding that.
Why will I sing in Telugu? Arman is a big star now, singing for all the
Uh,
youngsters. And you know what? Telugu music and music composers, the kind of songs they make, my God, it's
Mind blowing.
unbelievable. They
Mind
are
blowing.
mind blowing, and some songs are so rag intensive that I sometimes get very scared, because Arman has sung for Rahman sir, he has sung for
I know.
Thaman,
I know.
and he's sung for all the composers who do not like. I still remember one song. I don't actually remember. But Butta Bama is the only song I remember because of the
I
success.
mean,
It
that is
was
like
the
worldwide.
highest.
Butta
Yeah.
Bomma is like worldwide, worldwide. The highest, the best song, I
Arvinda
think.
Sameta. I think that was the name. Arvinda Sameta. There was a picture
Yes, yes,
in which
yes.
she sang that Ana Gana Gana Gana. That was the word. My God, it is so difficult, that song. So I think all the hard work of Arman learning his classical bass and all that. Otherwise, to sing for South Indian composers, you think it's a cakewalk? No,
It's
very
not a
difficult.
joke. It's
Yeah.
not a joke.
And none of that. It is like God is kind, and we should be feeling blessed that Arman is able to do justice to it. It's a great thing.
Can I
A lot
ask
of
you
good
one?
music is coming.
You don't need to answer if you're not comfortable.
Ah,
You're such a person. You help a lot of people, a lot of newcomers. Like recently, also, I called you from Haridwar saying that this singer was there, and you immediately spoke to him and you invited him to Bombay. When you were in the music industry, when you were young, you don't need to answer double if you're uncomfortable, okay? You, instead of having, see, I'm not able to speak. Instead of having such a beautiful voice, how come you were not that successful like your brother? What happened exactly? Why did that happen?
oh, actually, I used to have this theory of good question. Theory of trying to push the blame, because of this, because of that, and because of somebody's politics. And so I used to carry that grudge, and kept on pushing blames on my family or to everybody. But now, in retrospect, when I think, Sri, I think, if your talent is unbelievable, and if your talent is beyond the normal, you can tear apart and reach your thing. Because if the competition is there, and there are many good singers, and you are one of them, and you are not so special, so I think sometimes you get lost. So if I was to put that in perspective, but the second thing is, I also believe in stars, and there is something like nakshatra, and there is something like your kundli, and strategically you're placed. Because I have always give reference that everybody who became a superstar, necessarily they were in their nakshatra very strategically placed. It's a science. It is not possible that their guru or their Jupiter and all the Venus and all was not strategically placed. They would never be stars, because they were also ordinary as it can get.
But
I believe in it.
I have to interrupt you here. It's actually bothering me. I'll tell you something. You're saying that, oh, you're very talented, and if people are talented, you can just go. I don't think so. You and Jyoti have gone through so much of, like, I'm just, because I know you guys so well, I'm sharing my mind, okay? You guys have gone through so much of pain and struggle and you've actually paved the path for Amal and Arman. Like, even if Arman was talented, if had you didn't have that sort of a beautiful relation with Salman Khan family, and you made them here. Nobody did that for you, Dabu. Though your father
Yeah,
also was one
I
of the
agree.
top in Bollywood. I don't know
I
whether I'm
agree.
speaking right. I don't want to insult you, but you have paved that path. You've given that base to your kids. You've held them with
I think
great care.
yeah, all the factors go, because I think also I should like to give compliment to Salman
Absolutely.
Khan. It's very important, with his kind of status and stardom. He came to release Arman's album. He gave the first push, and he
Wow.
supported them and told them, and he also made them very clear that I'm not going to, mollycoddle you. Once I have done my bit, you'll have to fight your war, which they did.
Absolutely.
But definitely
Yeah, that
because of
first
my
step. But the first step is the most
yeah,
important step.
yeah.
He held
So
their hand.
because of my relationship, and because of me having a very cordial and very lovely connection with Sohail Khan and Salman Bhai, I
Yes.
think that gave them the platform, and rest they had to prove themselves. So it does work. There are too many forces that work.
Yeah.
Actually, you're right. What you're trying to imply is that if there is simple or ordinary or mediocre talent, if it is given the placement and positioning, success can happen. It can happen. There is no doubt about it. But I feel in the longer run, when you are all on, because whenever you're making music independently, you're alone in the studio. When you're singing a song, nobody can sing for you. You have to do your job. So
Absolutely.
that's one thing I told my kids. I said, I don't know about success and failure, but I do not want to ever hear coming back people, yeah, they didn't do a good job.
Yeah.
So I always believe that I made them train, and I said what I did not do: the language of music, the hardworking programming, arrangement, singing, rags, Western, Indian, Berkeley School of Music, Trinity College of London, everything that I
Wow.
could do. I sold myself and sold my last T-shirt on my back, but I saw to it. I'm lucky that they took it seriously.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I
That's
think I'm
important.
blessed, because from a very young age, they have been very serious. So that is something which is, very endearing for me to see that. And I'm just blessed. So
Proud.
I
Proud.
also, visit Tirupati temple, Balaji temple.
Oh,
Uh,
yes.
and I've been blessed that 2, 3, 4 times I've got this invitations to go there. And Amal Arman have been blessed. So there is some forces, the cosmic powers, I believe, contacts, positioning, everything's actually, it's a 360-degree thing happens. When my
Yeah.
children got all the 36, 40 awards from the film industry, and when things were happening, the awards were raining, the songs were happening. What was it that was working? The no negativity could come. The path was laid. Everything was happening. Everything was so positive. So I think it's the energy of so many powers and so many blessings of my dad, mom, and not to forget Jyoti's hard work as a mom. She has been a
Yes,
backbone, fantastic.
absolutely. I agree
And
with you on that.
if there is 100% report card, I would give 90% of the credit to the mom for being the person she has been, a solid
I
mom.
agree. I agree totally with you. She's amazing. There's no doubt. Before we go up, one more song, Dabu, please. I'm getting this request also. Please, please,
Song.
one more song.
Okay, I would love to. Oh, I'll end on a very happy, nice.
No, you're not. You're not going right now. Wait.
No?
No, another. No, talk. One more song, and then talk, and then one more song, and then you can go.
Hmm. एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई, वो अचानक आ गई यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आए घटा से चांद, चेहरे पे जुल्फें बिखरी हुई थी, दिन में रात हो गई, ओ अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई. I'm stuck in time. Rajesh Khanna, Kishore Kumar, R.D. Burman, I've always been like, I feel I was in that era. That is the kind of music I love and really there only.
Did you lose weight?
Yeah, I've lost about
How?
7 kgs.
How?
I think,
COVID or?
yeah. So there is a slight change in my carb content. So instead of having gluten has been reduced a lot. Like 90% of the gluten is gone. So the only time I have gluten, like wheat, is in my breakfast. After that, I try to have jowar or bajra or something like that as my carb.
Wow.
And yesterday and today, since we have taken the jab, we have been having sweets. It's like a gift to us. So we are having gulab jamun, and today was Eid, so we had sevaiya also.
Oh, sorry. Eid Mubarak to
Eid Mubarak,
all the viewers.
Mubarak.
All the viewers also.
Happy Akshay Tritiya to everybody and happy
Mubarak. You have to go and buy gold.
Yeah. So was it that?
Huh. What did you say?
Is it the day we buy gold, Akshay Tritiya today?
Yes.
Okay.
But you know what is the situation like? I mean, how is Bombay? Is it okay?
Bombay seems to be very strong, and people have really done a very strong work on the grassroots level. I think so. We just feel that things look like they are in control, because I think 80% of the population is really taking care of not crowding and not going out of the way.
But Dabu, I think we have taken granted of everything in life. What I realized just 2 days back, I was sitting, every summer I'm in south of France for last 4 years. I realized we've taken everything for granted. Let it be relations, let it be, I don't know, I mean, this is the biggest lesson we are learning right now. It's past one year, almost a year, right?
Gratitude, compassion.
Everything.
Gratitude and compassion, value for what you have, respect for each other. Just before this, I have put on Instagram one poetry somebody sent me. Very emotional poetry. You should read. You should hear it. It's a post just before our interview started. You'll love it.
Very sad, but a lot of things have changed, and staying home also, it takes a toll on your mental health because you're isolated and you can't just go out,
I'm just making the climate is getting a little hot here. I just want to on the AC. Can I?
Yeah, please go.
Yeah, you can talk to your audience for a minute.
So guys, can you imagine he wearing the same color? I mean, I'm sweating because of these lights, but I really enjoyed this talk, and he's an amazing person. He's a very simple soul, and well, I think all you guys must have celebrated Eid by biryani. I think he's coming back. I think it's hot.
I'm back.
Yes, I can see that. Come. The red t-shirt. I hate you, Dabu, for doing this to me.
I copycat.
I thought I should be extremely glamorous today, and then I see you with the red t-shirt.
Yeah.
So before we go, can we request 2 more songs and we are done? Because really people love Dabu. They have been asking me so many messages I got.
Yeah.
Let's talk more songs.
For information, it is like this is the first time I'm speaking so much. I'm singing so much in an interview, and I hope this has got a digital outprint of this interview. It's so wonderful.
Dabu,
Anyway,
one second. One second. Firstly, digital live, I don't know. It's a tribute to our 20 years of friendship. And we are talking as though we're sitting and talking. And I don't know who is watching. God knows who is going to watch, what they'll feel. But I'm having super fun. So let's go with the song now again.
no, Ajay, tell me, have we covered talking about you? I've been talking about myself. What about it? Was supposed to be two friends talking. Have
You guys are
Because
super
after
celebrities.
hearing my songs, I think you forgot everything we wanted to speak.
Yeah, this is what happens. This is what always happens in Bombay also. I just keep looking.
Okay.
You had something in mind to ask me?
Yeah. So
What?
I wanted to know that you were also into fashion. When you say fashion, that fashion was, were you doing styling for Western outfits or Indian outfits? What were you doing?
No, I don't style anybody, but I design clothes and under the brand of HRH by Sridevi Chaudhary. It's only to feel that, there are big designers like Sabyasachi or Manish Malhotra. I never wore a designer till today. I mean, honestly, you can check any of my photographs. So I like to design what makes me feel comfortable and secure in my own skin. So that's why I got
So
into
your
designing.
brand is not available all over the world? As
Am I international star Versace or something? I mean, people do order from abroad. Maybe most of the Indians not. But then I design on and off taboo. I don't
so
get into
basically traditional.
traditional. Yes, yes. For
So
me,
one
two
of your
things. I love designing and I love cooking.
but one of your friends is there who's into designing in a big way in saris and all that.
So,
Your Telugu friend.
so she's watching. Deepthi, you're talking.
Yes,
She's
she does.
amazing.
So what is the
Amazing
difference between your brand HRH and her brand from that point of view?
I design saris, which is extremely modern, and the designs are very stylish. She's a very traditional designer. She's a very traditional designer, and she designs. I mean, that's her. I mean, she can't live without designing. For me, I design when I need to get my mind straight. I design. So I cook and for me, cooking. I love cooking. I mean, you WhatsApp me right when I made the prawn curry the other day.
Okay. No,
Can you
because
hear
the
me?
stuff that I saw of yours also, whatever memory I've got, there were some stunning
Yeah.
samples and things.
Yeah.
So I was just wondering whether that's something which is available in stores
It
or
is.
not.
But right now, past 1.5 years, we shut down because the sales are not good and because online business, I don't know, it's like everything has come to a standstill. And remember, I was stuck in Singapore last year for 3 months. So that time I
Oh,
had to put
yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So then after I came back, everything was like, so disturbed. Your whole life was disturbed. Anyway, we have to get back to normal. And I don't know what is the new normal. We have to see. Either mask, no.
This is the right platform to speak or no.
No,
But
talk.
my friend Shri from Hyderabad, whom I'm
Oh,
talking, is a real fighter. And without divulging any facts, she has been a personal, whether it is her personal ordeal or her, medical thing or her beauty or her personality. Nobody would believe 20 years back how she used to be and what she turned out to be 20 years later. It's like a world of a different as a personality, as a person, and all that. And I have learned from her one thing, which has been is a never die attitude, an attitude of finding way through all odds. And I think that's what the woman of substance is made of. And I'm also experienced her anger. I've also experienced her vigilance for her friends and family. She's overprotective and of all the things, she loves Dabu Malik.
I love Dabu Malik. I love
Okay.
songs.
So
Song.
now,
Don't vanish. Songs. 2 songs and you're done. I'll let you
yeah,
go.
you're capitalizing of the singer in me. Sing. So which song? Now. Oh,
People
yes.
are requesting the same song. Hi Sirisha. Hi Sirisha. The girl is there. Deepti's and my friend Sirisha just said hi.
Okay, which song she's everybody's asking?
Thoda Sa Pyar, same thing. They've been asking
Oh,
us.
Baba, I've sung that song so many times
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
That's,
something else, something else.
mm, what? I should sing Amal Arman's song.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but I should find the lyrics. So now you be patient. Do not want to make mistake, because if I make mistake, Amal Arman's son, Dad, you bungled up the line we always do. So don't do that. So there is this Bol Do Na Zara, which is a very big hit.
Okay.
You've heard of that?
Yes, I do listen to all of your songs on Spotify, on so many things.
So this is Arman's song. Wow, Dad singing Arman's song, trying to copy his son. इतनी मोहब्बत करो ना, मैं डूब न जाऊं कहीं, वापस किनारे पे आना, मैं भूल न जाऊं कहीं, देखा जब से है चेहरा तेरा, मैं तो हफ्तों से सोया नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं, बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छिपा, मैं किसी से कहूँगा नहीं. That is Amal Malik's composition.
Can you sing your song, Dabbu? I want to hear what you sang.
You are adamant on hearing my song. Which song? Acha, then let's hear this. Did anybody hear my song, which was released based on my life story, Dhoondne Mein Jo Chala? I don't know if people have heard.
No, I heard that, but I want you to sing that. That's an amazing song again.
Okay. Sorry, guys, for not being prepared with the lyrics, because I didn't know.
No, that is the beauty of the live session. I mean, you're not perfect, so it's okay. People understand.
Okay.
We have to have patience, so.
I think this is the first time I am singing this song live, maybe.
Super, super. I'm lucky. I'm lucky.
Yeah, first time on this particular interview. So this is written by Rashmi Virag, the lyrics writer. And this is composed and sung by me, which is released on my channel MWM. And it defines my little bit of journey and my philosophy. ढूंढने में जो चला, मिल के भी वो ना मिला, और मेरा ये सफर ऐसे ही चलता रहा, कुछ दोस्त मिले, कुछ ख्वाब सजे, कुछ सच भी हुए, कुछ टूट गए, पंख लगा के कहीं वक्त ये उड़ता रहा, और मेरा ये सफर ऐसे ही चलता रहा. दूर कभी, पास कभी, हो के कभी अजनबी, खुल के कभी, छुप के कभी, तुझसे मिला जिंदगी, तेरा साथ मिला तो मैं खुद से मिला, तूने छोड़ दिया तो किया ना गिला, संग रंग जो तूने दिए उनमें ही ढलता रहा, और मेरा ये सफर ऐसे ही चलता रहा. That's life.
I can sleep, man. I can sleep. How lucky Jyoti is. I hate her in this.
Oh, so cute.
I can just sleep. I mean, your voice is just so soothing, Dabbu. So soothing.
Love you.
Thank you so much, Dabbu, for taking time. I know you had slight fever today, and but I wanted to cancel the program, but then you said, no, let's do it. It'll inspire.
Yeah. I told you that this is first time that was happening, and I was really praying to God, and I said, no, this I should have my Dolo 650. I should be good enough, and with the red T-shirt we both are wearing, we
This
should
is too
do it.
much. This is too much to
And God
appreciate.
bless you. You're looking
Thank you,
pretty. May you
Dabu.
have good health, and keep
Thank
up the
you.
good wishes for everybody. And
Thank you.
love you lots.
Thank you. Love you too. Love you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Guys, signing off. Bye, Dabu. I'll just say thank you to my viewers and I'll sign off. Thank you, guys. Eid Mubarak to you all. And I hope you enjoyed this live session. And again, next week, Friday, same time, 8 o'clock. Love you. Bye.